This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yeah. So let us start now. I think everyone has joined already. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. And I hope everyone is having server access now. Are there still anyone is missing?
I need to check. I mean, I haven't installed it. So most probably tomorrow I will install and check.
Yeah, please check, Pramod. Because daily basis, you people are supposed to do the practice. Yeah. So revision has to be done. Therefore, it is mandatory to have.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And Shreya, Srivani, and Neha, what about you people?
I
Yes,
have
I have.
access.
Yes, sir, I have, sir.
Okay, good. I think Apeksha is absent today in the class. He has messaged already. No problem. So, all right. Then all of you are having access. Okay, that's good. And Parmod, please check it.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. So we have introduction session already, and I hope you people are aware now what is SAP, what are the benefits of SAP, and what is usefulness of that. So we'll be starting the practical session today, starting from beginning. So before starting, if anyone is having any kind of query, any doubt is there, please let me know. We'll discuss on that.
Hello, Vinod.
Yeah, hello.
Are you explaining something?
Yeah, already I have said. Please let me know once it is visible.
No, I can't see.
It's not visible as of now.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it might take few seconds. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm audible.
Yeah, yeah, you
Yes.
are audible and you can able to see us.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So uh, let us start practically, and I hope you people are aware about the difference between SAP EGXs and IMG as well, because these things already we have discussed. Okay. So we'll start from IMG. See, this is how to go to IMG screen. This is the path for that. Yeah, this is complete IMG screen. So as a practical, yesterday I taught how to set the country, how to configure the country into SAP system. Yeah. So I understand this is covered for everyone, even for Neha and Pramod as well.
No, no, not for me.
Yeah. Pramod, any doubt? Or you want me to cover it once again?
Yes, please.
All right. So just write down define countries in my SAP system. Define countries in my SAP systems.
Okay.
Transaction code is OY01. OY01. And write down the path. So Pramod, can you read and tell me the path for define countries in my SAP systems?
Yeah, should be in activate business function. We have a set country.
No,
No.
no, Pramod, sorry.
Okay.
I will tell you. See, whatever tabs or whatever the steps are opened, only that is part of the path, Pramod. So on top, if you see SAP customizing implementation guide is there, that is opened. So you could write as a short form is, short form of this is IMG. Instead of writing SAP customizing implementation guide, you could just write IMG only. Okay, IMG. Under that you see what is next step is opened. See and tell me. Okay, Parmod, one thing you tell me. Are you able to see entire screen or you feel that screen's bit it is just a bit smaller and you are not able to see completely?
Yeah, it's a bit smaller. I mean, I'm trying to adjust little bit.
Okay. I'll tell you. And Neha, what about you?
Yes, sir, I can see.
Okay. All right. So I'll just tell you, Pramod, what to do. Now, come to this page where exactly I am now in my screen. So you could see in your system in between, in middle of the screen, everyone should be there.
Yeah.
Are you able to follow?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now this click on this drop, this arrow mark is there, right?
Yeah.
Click there, click there.
Yeah.
Then tell me what are the options you are getting.
Uh, who's talking active camera hide, and then we have a camera partition, so my cameras, and we have three icon.
See. Okay. No.
So
See there. See there. One option should be there. Hide everyone.
yes, yeah, I
Click on
did.
that.
Yeah, did.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now you see the screen and tell me how it looks like.
yeah, it's better. Yeah,
It's better, right? Okay. And even addition to that, again, you could just do zoom in and zoom out as per your convenient. Just
Okay.
press control key in your laptop, and then using mouse, just drag
Y-
it down
Yeah.
or up. Then you
Yeah.
will find the zoom in option, zoom in and zoom out. Okay. So as per
Yeah. Yeah.
your convenient, you could just do this. Yeah.
Sure.
I hope it will be better now.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfectly. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Parmod, now you could go ahead. Just see the screen and let me know the path.
I mean,
So the
we
first
click on
step,
SAP.
yeah, first,
Yeah.
mm-hmm, yeah,
SAP
first step
customizing
you could see.
implementation, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that is instead of saying complete sentence, you could say short formally IMG. Okay.
IMD. Yeah.
Otherwise, it will be too lengthy to say same thing every time. Yeah, because multiple time you
Mm-hmm.
are going to write the path. Multiple steps would be there. So
Yeah.
that is IMG. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then under that, what is open?
Uh, Under the multiple, things: open text archive, SAP field, SAP retail.
No, Pramod. Under
Mm-hmm.
that, you see which step is opened.
Okay. The open is active business function.
No, Pramod. See
No.
here. See, small dots are there. I mean, this line is there, right? So this is not opened. Okay. See, it is coming straight line till SAP NetWeaver, right?
Yeah. General
See
setting.
here.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
SAP NetWeaver is there. Under SAP NetWeaver, general settings are there. Yes. Under
Yeah.
general settings, set country is there, right?
Yeah.
Is that clear or
Yes.
not?
Yes. Clear. Yeah. It's clear.
Okay. One second. Again, just a few things I will ask you because others are knowing very well about the path, how to make a note of that. So, but still, I need to tell you. Now, Pramod, you tell me the path for defined tolerance group of employees.
It comes into financial accounting, right? And within
No,
that,
no, please tell me. No, Pramod, you have left some steps. Please see from top. What are the steps opened? That would be part of the path.
to open from the starting, it's a SAP customized implementation guide. From there, we have the
Mm-hmm.
different folder, and then we have active business function. This is a different folder. Then enterprise
No, no,
structure.
no, 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 Pramod. No, sorry, that's not correct.
Okay.
Sometimes back only I told you that which step is opened, that only would be the part of path. So active business function you said. Tell me where it is opened. It's not opened at all, right?
Yeah, it's not
See,
open.
same line is coming, Pramod. That is not
Mhm.
opened. Yeah.
Yeah, we have
Now,
open
now you see first.
financial
Now you
accounting
see
view.
first.
Financial
Mm-hmm.
accounting view.
Yeah.
And under that
Yes.
we have a global setting. within the global setting, we have ledger, global parameters, documents.
No, Pramod. Sorry, you are not able to follow up. Why? I am telling you, Pramod, that what are the options, what are the steps opened? That only would be the part of path. Now see here, I'll tell you. First, IMG is there.
Yeah,
Under that, see directly financial accounting new. Still, it is not opened. Now I
yeah,
am opening it. Now see here. Now it is opened.
yeah,
Right? Think.
yeah.
Okay. I will go much more slow now. See here, SAP customizing implementation guide. That is nothing but IMG.
Okay.
From there, you see straight line is coming till
Yeah,
financial accounting new, right?
correct. Right.
Okay. Now financial accounting new only is opened. Under
Yeah,
this, you see there are multiple steps are there, right?
yeah,
Okay. Now I am opening financial accounting global settings new. I will click here, right?
yeah.
See, okay, you see these lines only, Pramod. Against this only,
Mm-hmm.
which step is there? Against this line, financial accounting global settings new, right?
Right.
Under this, you could see here multiple steps are there, ledgers are there, then global parameter, document, all these are there, right?
Mm. Right.
Okay, but
Yeah.
you have to be careful that which step is opened. Can you see and tell me, is there any step opened under financial accounting global settings?
No, this is open under financial accounting new. Within financial accounting new, we have financial accounting global new.
Yeah, financial accounting global settings new. Under that, still is there any step opened?
Uh, yeah, we have a ledger, we have a global parameters for company
No.
documents.
Parmod, what is my question? You just feel
Mhm.
relax. Doesn't matter if you are not able to tell me once. I will be telling you 100 times. But unless until you will come to know, I'm not going to leave it. Whole
Mhm.
1 hour, I'll be keep on telling you the same thing. Doesn't matter. This course is going to take how much time? I don't care.
Mhm.
But once you will come to know, then only I will leave you. Okay? So no, do not make it hurry. Feel relaxed. Then tell me. Under financial accounting global settings, do you find any step is opened or not? This is my question.
No.
No, very good. Yeah, this is, I mean, no step is opened. Okay. Now I am clicking against a document. Now tell me,
Okay.
which step is opened?
So you open document, within document we have document type. We have,
No.
yeah.
Parmod, leave that. Under document, what are the steps are there? Doesn't matter. But now
Hmm.
which step is opened? Document is opened, right?
Yes.
Okay. Under
Document.
document, yes. Yeah, under document, yes, I agree. There are multiple steps. Okay, that is okay.
Hmm.
Now,
Hmm.
can you see which step is opened under document now?
Tolerance group.
Exactly. Under document, tolerance group is opened. See, Pramod, it's very easy. From where
Hmm.
this line is breaking, okay, this straight line is breaking. That is
Yeah.
only, so this means it is opened. Okay, it's very
Hmm.
simple, right?
Okay.
So under that only defined tolerance group for implies is there. Got it?
Hmm. Yeah.
Pramod, question is there. Why I'm
Yeah. I got
asking
it.
you multiple times? No. Why I'm asking you multiple times? Because I want that everyone should know. Reason being is there. Going further, I am not going to ask you this question. I will tell you people. I will ask you people. Okay, please write down this step and write down the path. And after that, I'll keep quiet. I'll wait for you
Hmm.
people. Once you write the steps, once you write the path, and confirm, then only I will proceed. So when I am leaving upon you people, okay, please write down the path, then it should not happen that you people are noting down wrong path. If you note it down wrong path, then it will be very difficult to do the revision, do the practice, right? So in that case,
Yeah.
you will not able to learn it. Okay. So that's why in beginning itself, all the basic things we have to improve it in such a way that while doing the practice, you should not face any challenges.
Mhm.
Okay.
Got it.
So it is not only for you, for everyone. Just I did the same thing. Now, if I will, I will ask others. You then you will see how they are telling. Okay. Just a second. Question goes to Shreya. Shreya, please tell me the path for maintain fiscal year variant.
Okay. So first, we have to go to IMG, SAP IMG, and from SAP IMG, we have to go to financial accounting, and under
Hmm?
financial accounting, we have to go to financial accounting global settings,
Yeah.
and from financial accounting global settings, we have to go to fiscal year and posting periods, and
No,
under that,
sorry. You have missed one step.
okay. Oh, is it laser?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It is. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Should I start again?
Yeah. Obviously.
Okay. So we have to go to SAP IMG. So from SAP IMG, we have to go to financial accounting, new, and from there we
Yep.
have to go to financial accounting global settings, and from there we have to go to the laser, and from laser we have to go to fiscal year and posting periods, and from there maintain fiscal year variant.
Okay. Good. All right.
Okay.
Define run schedules. Question goes to Srivani. Srivani, you have to tell me the path for define run schedules.
Okay. Uh,
Define run schedule.
one, IMG
Yeah.
and from
Mm-hmm.
financial accounting global settings and ledger
No,
document.
sorry. How come ledger? Ledgers is that is ledger opened?
No, no, document
Yeah.
and recurring entries.
Yeah. Then define run schedules. Okay.
Yeah.
So you again, since you have done some mistake, again you
Hmm.
have to tell me different path.
Okay.
Yeah, define document number in this for entry view. Yeah, tell me the
Okay.
path. Shivan.
IMG, financial accounting, financial accounting global settings, document, document in new entries,
Yeah,
define document in new entry and define document company member range.
no, no, it's wrong. Please start once again.
Where you need define document number or which one you need?
Define document number in this for entry view.
Okay. IMG, financial accounting global settings, document,
Yeah,
number range,
then yes.
and define company and document in new and view and define company number.
Document in entry view. After that,
Define document number range for entry view.
okay, yeah. All right, this time it is correct, but please be careful.
Okay.
Okay, going further, how while writing the path, please be careful.
Okay.
And remember, the assignment would be there right from beginning to till end. It's mandatory. Only one assignment I'm giving right now to everyone. Going further, obviously, some more would be there, but by default, 15 to 20 company codes I want minimum. So there won't be any compromise with this. Please make sure that everyone is going to create minimum 15 to 20 company codes. I know company codes you are not knowing. I'm going to tell you today. Okay, just you could say that minimum 15 to 20 times. Okay, 15 to 20 times practice is needed. Okay, right from beginning to till end you are going to do the practice minimum 15 to 20 times. Above that, if you are going to do, I'm happy with that. That will be good, really good. But minimum it should be 15. And I mean in between 15 to 20. Please do not make it lesser than that. Okay. Reason being is there, this it will be beneficial to you people only. Yeah. So I do not want that after completion of your training class, you are going to take a couple of months in terms of preparation, then you are going for interview. Not like this. That should not happen. The approach should be there that after completion of your course, immediately you could go for interview. So for that, this level of preparation is needed. Okay. Obviously, in between that, we are going to discuss about multiple, real scenarios as well, multiple interview questions also. About the topic wise, we are going to discuss. But I need your cooperation in terms of revision as well. Okay. All right. Neha, question goes to you. Tell me the path for defined house banks. Define house banks. And if people don't get confused that why I'm asking, these about these steps, though this will come later after multiple topics, then we are going to have these steps. So it is just for example only. Right now we are discussing about the path, awareness about the path only. That's it. Okay. Yeah.
IMG,
Tell me the path for, yeah.
IMG,
Okay.
financial accounting new, bank accounting, then bank accounts in that defined house bank.
Very good. Fantastic. Okay, all right. Now we are good to proceed further. Okay, so Pramod, I hope you would have written already. Define countries in my SAP systems. Please write down the path quickly. See how you are going to write. I will tell you the format of that. Suppose step name is define countries in my SAP system. Beside this, only write down the T code, that is OY01, like this. Then below write down the path. So path is IMG. Under that SAP NetWeaver. Then general setting. You could see here. See on top we have IMG. Then under that you see what is opened? SAP NetWeaver. Under SAP NetWeaver, what is opened? General settings. Under general settings, then you see set countries. That's it, right? Under set countries only, this step is there. Yeah. So IMG slash SAP Net.
Network.
Yeah. Under SAP NetWeaver, general settings. Yeah. Okay. General settings, then set countries.
Set countries.
Right. And then define countries in my SAP systems. Right. So this is the way how to prepare the notes. See, parallelly everything is getting recorded. Okay. And all of you are going to get the recordings as well. But along with that, you have to prepare your own notes also. Okay. So always please, while starting this session itself, please keep notebook and pen with you and keep on preparing your own notes as well. Okay. Yeah. And Pramod and Neha, please post your email ID into this new group. Okay. And requesting to Vijay sir, he is the organizer of this whole training, requesting him that to configure your email ID into Google Drive. Okay. So
Okay.
into Drive, he will be configuring. Then daily basis, you will be getting recording automatically in your email. Okay. So please, after this session or during this session itself, please post your email ID. Okay, and message to Vijay sir into the group itself. Okay, saying that okay, sir, please configure our email ID into Google Drive. We'll be doing that. Yeah. All right. And yeah, so now we can open it. See here two icons are there. One is page icon. There's nothing but IMG activity documentation. If you'll click there, you'll be getting some information related to that particular object. Suppose we are going to do we are going to do configuration for country, then you'll be getting some information related to country. Okay, like this. Yeah. Got the point, Parmont?
Yeah.
Okay, so it will give you the information what exactly the country is there, what are the settings are there inside that, why it is needed. Yeah, all info you'll be getting. not only for country, for every step, especially into IMG documentation. So that is one icon. Another icon is there. You could see clock icon we have, right? So in clock icon, there's nothing but execution icon. Once you'll open it, we will get the direct screen to do the configuration. Can you see now? So here we can see all the countries are there. Yeah, left side country code is there, right side the name is there. Now click on new entries. How to do the settings or how to do configuration? Click on new entries. Okay, here you'll be getting complete format. So as the details provided by client, okay, based on that only we'll be preparing our blueprint. Please all of you recall all the phases of the implementation like project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, and go live and support. So here, I mean in development, all the informations we are going to extract. We are going to follow the business blueprint and we'll extract from there only. Okay. So suppose client, suppose country, IN, alternative country key, same IN only, IN for India, name, India, long name, again, India, nationality, Indian, nationality long, Indian, language key, EN, English, hard currency, INR. See, based on the acceptance, there are two type of currencies, hard currency and soft currency. Hard currency which is accepted everywhere, and soft currency opposite to that, which is accepted at very less places, okay, or you could say it is not accepted everywhere. So in global market, if we'll talk, and if you compare INR to other currency like USD or Euro, then INR would be soft currency and USD would be hard currency because that is accepted to most of the places. But in Asian countries or even in India itself, if you see, then since INR is accepted everywhere, that's why it's known as hard currency in India. Okay. So right now we are not talking about the global market. Okay. Here we have given country code IN only, India. Why I'm explaining you about this hard currency? Because this is not only currency. Here it is written clearly hard currency. What is meaning of hard currency? Okay, so hard currency is that which is just it is based on the acceptance only. There are two type of currencies: hard currency and soft currency. Got it? Then come down. Then here we have procedure. This is related to tax procedure. Okay, so that taxation part we'll do later. Okay, but since this is it will ask, this is a mandatory field, so just the predefined tax procedure I have entered over here. Suppose tax IM, tax for India, and then come down. We have date format and decimal character here, extremely down if you see. So date format, SAP has given multiple formats of the dates. Okay, because it differs country to country. In most of in the Asian countries, including India, we have DD, MM, YY, okay, in date format. But in many countries, even including European countries, if you see, they have MM, DD, YY. Okay, few countries are having YY, MM, DD. Okay, so SAP has given I mean, keeping those conditions in mind, they have given different format as well. Okay, so whichever suitable format is there, country can accept it. Suppose we are taking first one, DDMMYY. Yeah. Then decimal format. Okay, so this is decimal format. Decimal format also they have given couple of formats. Okay, so since SAP itself is from Europe, okay, so that's why a few places they have, especially they have given the format in European way. Means suppose 1.234 dot. See, this is not. I mean, this is not decimal. In fact, what happens? In Europe, if I'll write, okay, so you'll be thinking this is suppose if I'm writing like this. Okay, what is this? Tell me what I have written.
So 100 euro.
100 euro.
No, this is €1.
Okay.
Now this is €100. Okay, so the decimal part is considered there is a comma, or comma is considered as a decimal, like that. Okay, so even tomorrow when you are going to work for European project, so you have to be careful with the decimal and comma. Okay, yeah, got the point?
Yeah.
Okay, see, in fact, I have been involved into multiple projects related to European countries. Okay, so these things, yes, I have observed. Even in beginning, I also got a bit confused quite long back, many years back. But later on, I saw, okay, this is So now it is. Now I have become habitual. Okay, with all these. Okay, so you people also have to be careful. All right, is it clear? Any query from anyone so far?
Yes. Yes. I have a couple of queries here.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. First, this name, long name that I understood, nationality like Indian. This is where creating a company. It's an organization, right? So what will do for Germany? German, or it should be a German only.
Yeah, that will be same. Pramod. Take for example, suppose long name is there. Okay, I mean this.
Mhm.
Suppose name is there. Yeah, German. Okay, long name, same name whatever they are having. Suppose Germany. Okay, we can keep long name. Nationality German. Okay, nationality long again German. So same thing.
So
What
so
exactly
this
they have?
all these fields are already
That's it.
captured in the blueprint. That should be captured in the blueprint. All these fields.
Exactly. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Definitely.
second
All
question
these
I have.
informations would be taken
Mhm.
from blueprint only. Yes.
Okay, fair enough. So second question here I have a hard currency. You have given an INR. I have a company, but my reporting currencies are different, and we are dealing in a different currency. So, do you have any option, or I need to put only INR, or for US we need to put like USD? From where we get this information? As per the country specific currency, or it's a reporting currency, or transaction daily currency? What should I do? Or I will just
No.
blindly go
No.
back
No.
go
No.
back to
No.
blueprint?
No. 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 Pramod. Pramod. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
neither this is reporting currency nor it is transaction currency. this currency is at country level only, and every
Country level.
country
Okay.
every country will be having unique currency, only one
Fair
currency.
enough. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Now, third point, what I have in the decibel format, right?
In
Now we are creating a company for India, and in decimal format we have only a limited option in the drop down. Now, if I put something and give someone with this kind of a format to check, any Indian will confuse and they will think, okay, my God, what does it mean? It's a 1.2 or something like that. So we can modify here, or it's a only standard drop down available for standard like for every country. I do
no, no,
understand it's not.
Pramod.
Yeah.
Even yeah, no, Pramod. What happens that uh, SAP has given almost all the options as per standard. Okay, they have tried to fulfill all the client requirement using standard itself. But in case somewhere, if some difference is there, still it is some differences there between SAP standard and actual requirement of the client, then we have option for customization. Okay,
Okay.
so we
Okay.
can do the changes. Okay,
Okay.
we can
Fair.
do the customization. So it's not like that to any any foundation is there. No, we have to use that only, or this is an option only. Nothing else we have. Not like that. SAP software is such a flexible software is there, which is
Mhm.
just it's completely user friendly. It's client friendly. Okay, so it can be modified.
Okay, got it. What is capital good
Yeah.
IND? What does it mean?
Uh,
We have
which
we
one?
have
Pramod?
we have in properties we have a procedure. Within a procedure down to procedure we have a capital goods IND. What does it mean?
Okay, this you are talking.
Yes,
Just a
yes.
second. Okay, 1 second. Let me open it. It's just indicator, capital goods indicator. See what happens. It confirms whether the field capital goods is displayed in vendor invoices. In fact, this is related to vendor invoices. Okay, and use of this is state this indicator if you have to distinguish vendor invoices for capital goods. This is the case, for example, in France. I mean, this is not for every country, Pramod. Okay, so that's why it is no need to do anything into this.
So
Okay,
capital
especially
capital so capital goods, I understand capital goods and vendor, but we are creating the country, right? Country code. So how does it relevant to creating a country or setting a country code?
mhm. No, when we are creating a country. Okay, so what happens?
Yeah.
Set this indicator if you have to distinguish vendor invoices for capital goods. Okay, means what happens if vendor invoices are there. Okay, for capital goods means related to their this is capital level. If such a kind of goods are there related to vendor invoices, then only we can tick mark. Otherwise, it is not needed. Okay, distinguish means if we need to just identify vendor invoices for their capital goods, then only we can set this indicator. Otherwise, not needed. Okay, it is just extra option only, Pramod. First of all, this is not for every country, especially it is into France.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens? see, it differs country to country. Okay, maybe they are having some rules. Okay, for vendor invoices, okay, when we need to distinguish whether it is for capital goods or not, then this, it has to be marked. Otherwise, there is no such, big use of this. Okay, yeah. Any other query?
Sir, from where we can configure a decimal format? Hello,
Yeah. See, this is
can you hear?
decimal format. Decimal. See, first of all, we can take it from here itself. Okay, but in case if it is, some extra requirement is there, yeah, then also, SAP has given options to configure it. I'll tell you after this. Any other question from this screen?
No, not for me.
From anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, all right. So anyway, just blindly I have opened this screen with country AK. Okay, otherwise we were creating IN, right? Okay, because this time purpose was there to solve your queries. Okay,
Yeah.
but anyway, see, there are few more things to discuss which are really genuine from interview point of view and from working point of view as well. Okay, so that I will tell you first. Anyway, you people understood how to create the country.
No, I
So
mean
after setting up,
we just put the information and then what? Do we need to save it or else how?
exactly, yes, we need to save it only. I'll just show you. See, like this. Okay, click on save button.
Okay.
So just let me tell you, I am just doing some small editing part. Okay, otherwise if I will click on save, nothing will be changed because it remains same. Now I'll click on save. Once you'll click on save, it will be, one dialog box will come like this, and it will be having a transport request number. This is called TR number also. TR stands for transport request. Okay,
Yeah.
this is TR number. So what is meaning of TR number? What is this is for what purpose? See, it carries the information from one server to another server. If you people will recall the concept when I taught you about all the phases of SAP methodology. Okay, at the time I told you people that what I mean about the servers as well. What is the development server, quality server, production server, how data flow would be there from which server to this server. So I mean from one server to another server, how the data flow would be there. So with the help of this transport request number itself, we can move the configuration data from development server to quality server. And once testing is done, once everything is completed as a part of testing, and once client is okay to move the data into production, then same TR, same transport request should be moved from quality to production. Into live server. So the TR number itself carries the data from one server to another server, especially configuration data. So now this transport request could be stored somewhere. There are few T codes, you could note it down separately where it will be there. SE01, SE09 and SE10. We can use either one out of these three T codes. We can use either one to get or to see all the TRs, all the transport request number, and we can release from there. Okay, I'll tell you further how to release it. I mean how to move the data from one server to another server, that I'll tell you. Have you noted down?
Yes.
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 And these T codes are for transport organizer. You could just write the heading transport organizer. Okay. And suppose, see this transport request came by default, right? But in case I do not want to use this TR, this transport request I don't want to use. I want to create new for this step which I am creating now. Then how to bring new number? Below that you could
Sorry,
see
sorry,
create
your voice is
request.
cracking.
Your voice is
Can't
breaking.
hear it.
See just below that you could see here create request. You could see my cursor.
Can you
Yeah.
please repeat that again because your voice was breaking?
Okay, one moment please. Yeah, sure, sir. I will
Yeah,
repeat.
yeah, sure,
One
sir. I'll
moment.
repeat. One moment. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Hello. I'm audible now?
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Yes, you are.
Okay, okay, good. So in case whenever you people feel that voice is breaking or it is slow or I'm not audible, at least let me know immediately. So I'm having two to three devices. Okay, so sometimes this is part of network. If sometimes one device is down, I can jump to another device and I will improve it immediately. Yeah. So yeah, we were discussing about the TR number, transport request number. Okay, so I will just repeat once again. See, we had been to this point, right?
Yeah.
And from here only, yeah, from here only I was telling you that suppose if this number we don't want, we want to create new number, new TR number, then how to do that? Okay. And even you people also, those who are going to uh, use the server, I mean new server, with your new user ID, you might get this kind of challenge. If you try to save something, it will come blank like this, and it won't allow you to proceed further. So you have to create the transport request number, okay, with your user ID first. How to do that? Click on create request. Okay, you could see my cursor.
Mm-hmm.
Create request. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, now enter the short description. Suppose country settings. Okay, now below that you could see here we have save button. See my
Mm-hmm.
cursor?
Yep.
Click on that. Can you see the TR number has been changed? Now ending number is 15. Earlier it was 13, right? Tell me, is it clear or not?
Yeah. It's,
Please tell me. I mean, from everyone, I want to
Yeah, that's
hear.
clear.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. Now we can continue. See, once it is not clear, you people can ask me. I'll repeat it. Okay, but finally it should be clear. That is important. Okay, so I'll show you people. I will take just 1 or 2 more minutes to show you the TR numbers where all are located. Okay, so you just open any one of the T code. All three T codes I have given to you. Open anyone. Suppose AC01. I'm opening. See, this place is called command bar. Okay, so the T codes we can enter here itself in command bar and press enter. Yeah. Now you could see here request type. There are two type of transport request. One is customizing request and there is workbench request. Okay. See, customizing request would be generated based on the configuration or settings or editing when we are doing as a part of standard settings or under standard screen when we are doing something, some settings or some configuration that comes. I mean, the TR would be generated that comes under customizing request. But the moment when we are doing some configuration or settings as per cross client means, say I'm talking about this client, just log in into SAP. See on top you see client is there 800. So it's not only 800 under one server. Sometimes 3 to 4 clients can be there. Suppose 800 is there, 100 is there, 200 is there, 210 is there, 110 is there, 500 is there. It depends upon the requirement. Take for example into development server, minimum 2 client would be there. One is for especially for development and there is for testing, unit testing. Okay, so what happens uh, when you are doing some setting and that affects other client as well, not only one client, even it affects other client also into server, then against that setting the TR would be generated that comes under workbench request. Remember this point. the transport request number would be generated and comes under workbench request, then definitely that is coming from such a kind of settings which affects not only one client, even other client as well. Okay, then only it is going to come under workbench request. Otherwise, if just standard settings are there which is affecting or which is happening under one client itself, that always comes under customizing request. See, this kind of question has been asked multiple times in the interview, remember. Okay, all
Sorry, I
right,
mean,
let
still,
us.
no, sorry, I'm still not clear. I mean, for workbench, if I do any kind of a modification, change, or kind of addition, it should move from one server to other server, or any changes or
No,
any
no, no,
modification
sorry, Pramod, this I not said. Not from one server to another server. What I said,
client. You said
if
a
we are
client.
doing some settings, some configurations we are doing which impacts only one client or the same client in which we are doing, that it comes under customizing request. If it affects other clients as well, I mean cross client, then it comes under workbench request. That's it. Same client, customizing request. Cross client, workbench request.
Workbench.
That's it. Is that clear?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So there are two type of transport request, customizing request and workbench request. Okay. Now, as per
Sir,
status also, yeah, please.
sir, we have to choose it or server itself choose it.
No, no. In fact, server will take care by itself only. No need to choose. This is a good
Okay.
question. So it will come by default only anyhow. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So then as per request status also there are two type of status, modifiable and released. Okay. Modifiable means uh, suppose some TR has been created already, but unless until you will release it, still we have option to keep it modifying. Modifying means suppose if some information we can take it out, some information we can add also. Okay, but once it is released, then we can't make any changes. That is meaning of modifiable and released. Okay, now you could see here since yesterday, I mean from when you want to see the transport request, from yesterday only or from last 2 weeks, last 4 weeks. Okay, or still if we have any other option, then we can select a date, from which date you want, like this. Okay, otherwise leave it blank, it will show you all the tiers. Now click on display. Okay, now it is showing tiers from workbench. Okay, let us minimize it. Now under customizing you could see these are the tiers from customizing. So the country which we have modified now, that comes here, I mean into this tier, because that is just normal configuration, so obviously it will be coming under customizing only. Okay, this is not going to affect any other client. Yeah, so under the main tier always one customizing task will be there by default, and this will be one number ahead. For example, suppose ending number is 215 for main tier, then under that the customizing task would be having one number ahead, I mean 216. Okay, so inside this, if you want to me to show you what are the informations are there, yes, I'll show you. See, like this. This is 800. 800 means client and country code is IN. This is what was done. Okay. So anyway, here we are not going to get more information because this is just a part of country settings only. So country code it has shown. This means something has been done in country level. That's it. Okay. And then how to release it? Take for example, we have entered. I mean, we have saved all required informations already, okay, under this tr. Now we want to move it into next server. Suppose we are going to move into quality server. Then first of all select customizing task. Okay, sometimes persons used to call it as a parent and child as well. Main transport request is parent and customizing task is like a child. Okay, but into SAP terminology it is called main tr number, and under that it called customizing task. So first of all select customizing task and click on this vehicle button. On top you could see release directly is there. Release directly. Okay, click there. Once it is released, a small tick mark will come here. This is indication of release only. Okay, that this particular TR has been released. Okay. So now it has been released. After this, we'll go for main TR. Do the same activity. Click on release directly. Got it? Now you cannot find out that TR number under modifiable. It has been moved from here. Where it has gone? Under released status. Can you see here? Yeah, is it clear? Are any queries there from anyone?
Just a small, question here. Uh,
Yeah,
once we move the tier from the development to quality, uh, you said, I mean, if we release it, that cannot be modified or cannot be changed.
yeah, that's
Uh,
true.
so from quality, it will be tested, and then it moved to production. But in quality, while doing the testing, I found no something wrong and something need to be modified or add. So what should I do? Again, I need to start
Yes,
from
yeah, it
development.
is. Yeah, yeah, good question, Pranat. It's a good question. So if uh, suppose we have moved the TR from development to quality, and quality we have checked and found that something uh, wrong has come, or something is not correct, then again we have to come back to development server. We need to correct it. We have to generate a new tr, and we need to do the same thing. We need to release it. It goes into quality server, and it will overwrite whatever previously we have sent it. Okay, so the new tr which will be creating, it will overwrite. Okay, and
How
it
system
will
will
be put.
identify? How system will identify that it's same sequence and it will override? Is it? I mean, I'm just trying to understand.
Mhm. Yeah,
So
I'll
system
tell
will
you.
identify. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, Pramod. It's very, easy to
Okay.
understand. I'll tell you. See, for example, tell me it is IN, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now under IN, name is India. Instead of India, by mistake it was Indian. Just by mistake. It goes into quality, and there it was identified that yes, it is wrong. This is not Correct. Okay. Now again we'll correct it. We'll remove N. We'll make it India. Save it. Okay. And again we'll move the data. Now your question is there, how system will come to know? How system will identify? So Pramod, the answer is that system will identify this code only, country code only. Based on this only, system will take this information. So under this code, finally whatever informations you are setting up, same thing would be there newly. I mean the updated data would be there. Okay, whatever latest updates you are giving to system and saving it under TR, and the TR you are moving into quality, same thing would be updated and it will overwrite.
Fair.
So that would be updated based on this IN only. Is that clear? Because
Yeah.
IN would be only one per month, not multiple IN would be there.
तो जब वो डेटा सर क्वालिटी से फिर से डेवलपमेंट में आएगा तो हम जब मतलब उसे मॉडिफाई करेंगे तो फिर से एक नया टीआर क्रिएट करेंगे.
Exactly. When you are going to move the data from development to quality, see Neha, it's not going to come back from quality to development.
Yeah.
It goes from development to quality, and suppose in quality server it was observed that some information was done incorrectly or something was missing. So what we need to do, again we'll come to development server, we'll just redo it. Okay, we'll correct it and we'll create a new TR. Same TR again we'll move into quality server. Okay,
Okay.
so the previous informations would be hidden completely, or you could say that will be overwritten, and new one would be displayed. That's it. Yeah, any other query from anyone? Pramod, any query?
No, I'm good, sir.
Okay, so all right, so I will advise you people, please go through uh, whole session once again. Okay, and I hope all of you are having the server access. Okay, so please do the revision. Okay, and get it done whatever we have discussed today, revise it once. Yeah, so
Uh,
what we'll do, we'll proceed further tomorrow. Okay, and I will tell you this is whatever we are going to discuss tomorrow. We'll discuss about the currency, about the exchange rates. Yeah, and then after that we'll start from enterprise structure.
uh, Sir, one quick query here.
Parmod, please become a bit louder, your voice is very low.
I'm sorry. Uh, Quick query here. I mean, so this is the first step.
Yeah,
Creating a country code is the first step of configuration.
yeah, that's true, Pramod, because this is just it is a part of general setting.
Okay,
Okay.
and you said you already discussed, few session. So is this the first video we have for this class, or you have taken some classes
Yeah.
previous
This is
class?
actually, yeah, Pramod. Practically, this is the first video. Okay. Otherwise, is a part of theoretical things. Okay, like ASAP methodology, or about what is IMG, what is SAP Easy Access. So like this,
Okay,
two more videos we are having. Okay. So
okay.
once you share your email ID, you'll be getting those videos as well.
And to whom should I address to align my
Yeah, into group itself, you could see this is there's name Mr. Vijay. Okay, so you just
Vijay?
write, okay, saying that, okay, hi
Yeah,
Vijay
yeah,
sir,
sure.
please yeah, please include my email ID also into Google Drive. That's it.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Any query from anyone before ending the session? Please let me know.
Yeah, so you talk about the assignment, right? 15 to 20 country code. Like, is it due tomorrow or?
No, no. 15 to 20 times revision should be done, which starts from
Okay.
today itself.
Okay, so whatever you did in class right now, we just have to practice that 15 to 20 times.
That's true. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And even see, suppose we have created country, so not necessary to create 15 to 20 countries. Okay. But at least you people can go through 15 to 20 times. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, oh,
So that
that was
see
the
this
that was my intake. I mean, I thought we need to create 15 to 20 countries. I
no,
might
at
be
least a
asking
country. See, country people can leave that. Okay, not required. Country just you could create two or three, with a
okay,
different codes, no issue. But addition to country. I mean, after country, when we are going to have other settings. So from there, this will be applicable.
okay, okay.
Yeah. See, the whole idea is there to make you people expert. That's it. Yeah. And another thing is that please join the session on regular basis. Okay, because what happens if once you are missing a single session also, so whatever would be discussed on that day, you'll be missing the concept. Though you'll be thinking that yes, we can go through recording, but I'm telling you, through recording, that much you could not understand compared to class. In class, what happens? Suppose if you are having any query, immediately you could ask me. But in recording, whatever queries you are having, no one is there to explain you, right? While listening the recording, if you are having some extra query, so that is not going to be explained during recording. Okay, so please try to this is attend all the sessions on regular basis. Okay, and our session will be daily for 1 hour, but sometimes it can be extended, maybe 10 or 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, so we have this kind of flexibility, because if somebody is asking me some query, some question, then I don't have habit to avoid it. Okay, if it is getting late also, but I have to explain it. So this kind of flexibility will be having in the class. Okay, 15-20 minutes it can be extra as well. Otherwise we'll try to have we'll try to complete our session in 1 hour itself, but just to keep it as as a buffer time for 10-15 minutes. Yeah. All right. I
All
know
right. Thank you.
those. Yeah, I know those who are in India, it will be late for them, because this is sleeping time. It's midnight of 12:38. Okay. So anyway, we'll try to improve it. Okay, and we'll try to complete our session within 12:15. Yeah. Yeah. Shall we end up the session now? If any
Yeah,
if no query is there from anyone.
Yes, we can. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
thank
Thanks
you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a nice time. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.